Hey guys, today we're working on a Yamaha Grizzly. A buddy of mine just bought this for hunting, asked me to change some wheel bearings and an axle. This is a wishbone suspension, which is in a lot of cars too. So the process is pretty much similar like it is on here than it is on a car. So we will show you the process as well as show you how a press and bearing goes in. There you go. This is where the bearing is gonna go. There's a snap ring right here. We gotta remove that and then press out the bearing, press in the new bearing, change this axle, and this side is complete. There's a stupid snap ring. Ooh, you guys hear that? That's the bearing coming out. Ta-da! There's the old bearing. Now we gotta press in the new one. On cars, we have ABS sensors. So normally these bearings have one side magnetic, so then that way you can have the ABS readings. On this one, doesn't matter which side you put it in, it's both the same. All right guys, new bearing, going back into the knuckle or the hub. See, there you go. All right, the next step, as you guys can see, we had a snap ring that goes here, right? So this is not all the way in. So we gotta push it in even more. And then it's gonna come to a point where it's gonna stop going down. And that means we're fully in. Now we got that little space for the snap ring to go back in, and then we assemble it back together. There we go. Snap rings back in. Brand new axle. A very small version of a big axle. You want to see what the difference is? Check this out. Similar concept as a car. Similar suspension, wishbone suspension, independent control arms. All right, well, this side is complete. Gotta put the wheel on, and this side is done, so now we can move on to the next side. And I gotta make Kamel do it too, so he has the experience. Go for it. All right guys, so all the wheel bearings are installed. If this is how your wheel feels, where it's like way too loose and you're feeling like grinding noises, please come in before it gets this bad. Sometimes you have to break it off, and Jose will show you in the video. Come on, come on. Woo. One of the bearings we were trying to take it off and it blew up. It's the same kind of suspension in any old Hondas, any old Toyotas. Most trucks have that same suspension. So you saw the job, and we'll see you on the next one.